Your attorney recognizes that your case is going downhill. He's asked the judge to declare a mistrial in your medical malpractice case against your doctor. The judge refuses to do that. Now he starts yelling and screaming at the judge. Do you think that's a good strategy in front of the jury to yell and scream at the judge? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. So now you brought a lawsuit against your doctor claiming that he was careless and violated the basic standards of medical care, causing you significant harm and injury. And now during the course of your trial, everybody realizes that your case is going downhill. And now your attorney wants to declare a mistrial. He believes that something was done or said improperly, and now he's significantly disadvantaged. So what does he do? He asks the judge, the trial judge, for a mistrial. And the judge turns around and says, denied. So now what does he do? Well, now your attorney is trying to get the judge to declare a mistrial no matter what. So now he's arguing with the judge on every single ruling. He's saying things that clearly are inappropriate. And now he's doing it over and over again when the defense lawyer is questioning your witnesses. Now he keeps getting up and objecting and making stupid objections. The judge keeps telling him objection overruled, which means basically, sit down, counselor. He can ask that question, it's appropriate, and the witness can answer. And now your attorney keeps getting up, and now he's arguing. Your attorney is arguing and starting to yell at the judge. Judge, you're being unfair. That's not fair. You're being unfair to me and my client. This is outrageous. This is prejudicial. And now he's making a whole scene in front of the jury. Do you think that's going to help you in your case? In all likelihood, the answer is no. It is not going to help you in your case. You want to know why not? It's because the jury, in all likelihood, doesn't understand why your lawyer is trying to harass and beat up on the judge. They don't understand it. They don't know the rationale. They don't know the reasoning. Let me share with you the only possible reasoning that this attorney could be arguing and fighting, visibly fighting, with the judge, verbally I say, not physically, verbally, with the judge. The only real reason that the attorney is likely doing that is because he wants the judge to declare a mistrial. He wants to try the case all over again, and he wants a new set of jurors there to go ahead and evaluate this case. And there could be many different reasons why he would want that. But in all likelihood, in this scenario where he realizes that his case, your case, is going downhill, and now there's a good chance you're going to lose that verdict, now he's trying to get the judge to declare a mistrial. So the jury does not recognize why, or doesn't understand why your attorney is being so harsh and angry and bitter with the judge. But there can be only one real reason, and that is to get the judge so inflamed, so upset, so angry that he has no other choice but to declare a mistrial. An attorney who continues to harass and berate and scream and yell at the judge, not only does he disrespect the court, but he offends the jury without even realizing it. And more importantly, what could happen is that the judge could turn around, not only declare a mistrial, but he could fine and sanction the attorney for significant monetary penalties. And if the attorney has gone past what is normal ethical conduct, now he runs the risk of being sent to the disciplinary committee, and now they will have to review his conduct during the course of trial. So a whole series of events can occur simply because your attorney feels it's critically important to get a mistrial from the judge, and the judge has refused to give you a mistrial, and now your attorney is doing nothing more than harassing the judge, yelling with him, fighting with him, screaming with him. And now guess what? Now your attorney runs the risk of getting fined financially, of being sanctioned, and now being brought up on disciplinary charges for violating the state's ethics rules, all because he's trying to fight for you and to save your case somehow. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an inside look at what goes on in these medical malpractice cases here in New York. You know, I recognize and I understand you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions just like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.